and why you want to take some time to get involved with this company and show you what we have going here with Live Good. There's so much happening with Live Good around the world. I would say in multiple countries, it's taking up the internet by storm, I would say. But the cool thing about Live Good is that the product itself is good quality products you get at a wholesale price, a little bit above cost. So you have to pay that retail cost anymore, and the whole concept behind it is kind of like a Costco like membership platform where you actually can share the product and share the program in Live Good. Let's take a look at some of the products here you get actually in Live Good. These are some of the multivitamins they have here in Live Good. These are some of the protein powders, the magnesium, the super greens, coffee, fiber coffee, which is good for you actually, and CBD oil, and a few other items here. So these products here, you know, back in the day, you used to pay a lot more money for products like this because of the quality and the content of the product. But let's see here. Let's go up to CBD oil. CBD oil, as a member, you get $15. Back in the day, it used to be $80 for CBD oil. But the quality is there. It's tested, also proven that what you're getting is what you get. And they have a lot of things here: collagen, CBD cream, creatine. We just got creatine now. If you look for bodybuilders out there, the workout people out there. And also we have bundle packs too here with Live Good as well, that you can choose to get involved with. A little swag as well with Live Good too you can actually use. But more importantly, like, you know, a lot of people want to make more money about the compensation plan itself. Now, when you join Live Good, there's so many things I would say about the compensation plan. Is by far one of the good, simple compensation plans to actually learn about. Now, there are 6 ways to earn income with Live Good, depending on what level you come in at. We have unranked all the way to a diamond leader, which you actually access that diamond pool. I'm sure more about that later in a minute here. But you get a percentage based on what level you are on a fast start bonus. So when someone signs up for that $40, you get a portion of the $40 when they first sign up. There's also a matrix commissions. Now let me explain about the matrix commission. Now the matrix commissions was like this: you have people coming into your organization, dropping into your matrix, and it takes some time to fill. But in time, that matrix, as it grows and grows with the company, it has the projection to make, you know, over $2,000, you know, in this matrix. You see right here, for unranked person sponsoring no one, $2,047 for that matrix. Now you don't rely on the matrix actually to make you that money, because it will take time to actually build that matrix as the company grows. And as you grow up higher in rank, your commission actually increases. Now here is the big money right here: matching bonuses. This is the key to the compensation plan, is the matching bonuses. So if someone I sponsor makes $1,000, I'm gonna make a 50% match on that $1,000, which is $500. They make $10,000, I'm gonna make $5,000 on that matching bonus. So the matching bonus, going generations, is huge, and I say it's the biggest part of the compensation plan. So you want to get to silver at least as fast as possible, and all the way up to diamond, where you can make the most, basically. There's actually a crown diamond position as well with the company. Retail commissions, you know, this is something small, I would say, but not the big chunk of the compensation plan. And then you have your influencer bonuses, which is for influencers. But here's another big, the diamond pool. And that's why you want to hit diamond. The company makes $1 million. They take a portion of the $1 million, put it into a pool, and they split that amongst all the diamonds in the company. This is extra money on top of your matrix checks, also on top of all the other checks you're getting. There's a quick video here. When you click the link on the description of this video, watch the compensation plan, watch this video. When you opt in, you'll see the back office. You'll be able to watch the same video here to explain to you how the matrix works and your matching bonus work in the compensation plan. So once you get involved with Live Good, I'm going to invite you to our private Facebook group. We're going to share with you exactly how we're actually promoting and marketing Live Good. This by far is, I would say, a simple thing to promote, because you're promoting health and wellness. It's a matter of, you know, it's $49 entry fee to get involved with Live Good, and people are having success. You know, people are hitting up ranks. You know, people hitting 2 people when you go bronze fast here in Live Good. We also have the million member movement this month. So if you get one entry, if you sign up one person, you get entry into $10,000. You sign up 2 people, you get enter into a $50,000 drawing coming up this month in Live Good. So I'm Jason Sweet, guys. Go ahead, click the link in the description here and take the free tour, and I'll see you guys on the other side. God bless, and you guys have a fantastic day.